jing rakhi buram ka kunhun ki Heprit bertip kum ka child right club ka bala ai jing shakri kerpang ban ai jing yada ban kentiu ka hok ki khna ka arphot rek no pra arja saw ka child friendly Shillong ringat ka Bosco integrated development society kila plat pa ba arli ki kot ka child led survey and assessment arja fly ka child friendly Shillong success story kibi dai lor ka hok ka scheme ba jing shakri ki Heprit ha ka nong ba Shillong nalor ka nek la dan ru ka jing thang mombiti ka jing puli potri ki jing roi jing shan na ki dikhot ka child right club na ki shidong ba pher hagni ka sngi le dan lang da kong matti warjari district child protection officer ko kongsan ka kong yamon sim chairperson ka Meghalaya state commission for women ka badairu ka khot barang ba ka forum ufara James Thernyang executive director ka child friendly Shillong urang ba shnong ka kanjat football nalor kiwi pan ka kong matti warjari ka ong pagi Heprit ki Donkam katju ka hok kumbolong ki rang ba baka chingi thu kerpang ka hok Heprit kami na kate ki chingi kendo lang kala berna bagi khinaru ki don ni ka sor ban petsngau kumbolong hayeng haskul bar ki lok ki jor normal ramdan ba Sngap kan Ktah ya ka Lawei Jong.
This is all of the hard work of our children with their support. Let us clap our hands together.
Children and young people have the same general human rights as adults and also specific rights that recognizes their special needs. Children must rely on adults for the nurture and guidance they need to grow towards being independent. Such nurture is ideally found from adults starting from the family, the community, the schools and the community at large. Children's voice needs to be heard. Without special attention, the opinions of children, as expressed at home, in schools, in the community, with friends, go unheard. If it goes unheard, it may affect them indirectly or directly, which may affect their future in any form and way. Today I feel very, very privileged to be a part of this special day, and I feel that today is dedicated to all the young ones. And I'm very happy to see all your bright faces, vibrant nature, and also your curiosity and creativity. As an adult and as adults, I would request each and every one of us here that we should remind ourselves the importance of children and in shaping the future of our society. It is a day to recognize talents, dreams, and potential. I know that the children here today have something unique to offer as they grow up as adults in the society. Today, hearing the success stories that Deep shared with me, give me an immense proudness to be a part of this society where we feel at home everywhere we go. We see children taking responsibility, even like the Rambashnal has said, even pointing out to adults that what is wrong and what is right.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam Ktah ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya